Hey, what's up, folks? This is Jesse with Keeping It Real Finance, the channel that always has your back and tells it like it is. Today's video is going to be another request, this time for Bepro, formerly known as Bet Protocol. So we're going to be getting into Bepro today. We're going to be doing a thorough review, including where this project started, where it's headed to, who founded it, and where we think it may end up by the end of the year, and capping this with a 2021 year-end price prediction. So you're not going to want to miss that. Lots of great information. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you click the bell, you'll be made aware whenever I post time-sensitive content just like this. All right? Now let's get it going. So Bepro, formerly known as Bet Protocol, is an API software provider for DeFi Gaming 3.0. Now, it claims 10 plus public products and 50 plus projects using the software already. Now, Bepro already has partnerships with the following companies: Chainlink, Anchor, Elrond, amongst others. Now, outside of being the code base for gaming, Bepro is robust as its libraries and smart contracts have been fully audited. It's 100% decentralized. It's built so the user can build prediction markets, peer-to-peer betting, informational markets, DeFi gaming, and more. It's also built to use, fork, edit, and run yourself, meaning that it is editable at any time. And Bepro was engineered so that you could use it on either Ethereum, Polkadot, or the Binance Smart Chain. Now, the Bepro token is a utility token that enables holders to set up applications on Bepro, participate in the network, and earn rewards through staking, which isn't live just yet, okay? Now, backers of Bepro include, we've got Blockground Capital, Moonrock Capital, Shilling Capital, Genexa Capital, Beyond Venture Capital, and others. So the point I want to make there is that there is some significant corporate backing behind this project in these various venture capital firms that have funded it. Okay, so clearly they think there's some money here. Now, for a little background, Bepro was founded by Rui Teixeira. He is the current CEO, Justin Wu, the COO, and Miguel Late, the CMO. So in terms of news, on March 23rd, CoinMarketCap named Bepro the top trending token in the Americas. So that was just a week ago that this was the top trending token. Absolutely crazy. On March 28th, Bepro announced that they had actually increased from 1,000 holders of the token at the end of 2020 to over 7,000. That was a few days ago. Now, in terms of the roadmap, they're currently focused on esports, betting, and DeFi. Now, CoinMarketCap actually lists 3 updates, including Casino 2.1, esports, live betting, and sportsbook by the end of June 2021. So let's talk token. So as of this recording, 3/30/21, Bepro was ranked number 625 with a market cap of 37.3 million. Now, circulating supply is currently 1.825 billion out of 10 billion, which means that basically only a little over 18% is in circulation, all right? Now, because the circulating supply is only 18.25%, that tells me that they are still raising money on this project, okay? So Bepro started the year at 0.000501 and is currently trading at 0.02044, or a 40.8x. That's a lot. Now, if it maintained the same rate of growth, it would 167.32x for the year, meaning that from today, it would 4.1x to 0.084 cents by the end of the year, with a market cap of 153 million, moving it up to roughly number 307. Now, what I really like with Bepro is that it continues to trend in the right direction with more and more hodlers, right? Now, it's also cheap and it's easy to qualify for the staking rewards as they exist currently. So I think it's more than possible for it to maintain the same rate of growth and exceed it. So the way I see it, I think a 4x from here is probably the floor. An 8x would put it at 16 cents. So basically, It doesn't have huge news yet, but I think the staking is probably what's pushing the price. And as long as that's affordable, it will continue to draw people in. So even at 50 cents, it would only take $2,500 to stake it. So my prediction here on a price for this one at the end of the year is anywhere from a 4 to 15x, maybe higher. Now, looking at the chart, it looks like it's consolidating. MACD looks right about perfect, and the RSI shows it's not overbought. So, being that it's red today, it's a good time to buy if you're watching Bepro. Now, staking, as I mentioned, isn't available on Bepro just yet, but it is available on KuCoin, and that requires a minimum of 5,000 Bepro that returns 10.59%. So in order to buy on KuCoin, you would need to trade USDT or Bitcoin, okay? Now, I do have referral links in the video description where if you sign up for KuCoin, you can either get a bonus or discounted trading fees, so check that out. I'm not sure exactly which, but it will do one of those, all right? Now, something else interesting is there's an ongoing liquidity pool rewards program on Uniswap for Bepro, where all ETH and Bepro liquidity providers, or LPs, will share a prize pool of $30,000 worth of USD of Bepro at the end of April. Now, the top LP will win hat NFTs and real hats that say Bepro mailed out to your house. So that's pretty cool. Second and third largest LPs win network NFTs. So the bottom line here with Bepro is this centers all around sports betting, e-gaming, it's software. It sounds like a really good idea. When you look at all the venture capital firms that are backing it, they wouldn't be backing this project if they didn't think there wasn't money in it. So that tells me it also has a lot of potential. Now, knowing that they're currently working on staking on their platform, but you can also stake it on KuCoin is important, right? And you can be getting 10.59%. So that's pretty solid as well. So a lot of great things happening here with Bepro, and the price that it's at right now, it is super affordable. You could easily get 5,000 Bepro and start staking, and you'd be well on your way on this one. So I can see why everybody's looking into this project. So as I mentioned, when it came to the price prediction, a 4 would be the same rate of growth. So I think that's possible, but I think it could go higher from there. So I'm saying a 4 to 15. If it goes higher than that, so be it. That would be absolutely awesome. But this looks like a solid project that you definitely want to check out. There's a reason there's some buzz around this one. There's a reason CoinMarketCap says this project is trending. I get it, okay? So that's it for today's video on Bepro. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit the like button. As always, don't forget that I am also on Twitter at KIR Finance, where I'm tweeting and retweeting on a regular basis. And for a friendly reminder, this is Jesse with Keeping It Real Finance, the channel that always has your back and tells it like it is. And I will see you on the next one. Later.